Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for visiting. I've made a sample here out of double crochets, and today I'm just going to show you how to crochet in the back loops of your stitches. It does not have to be double crochets. It can be single crochets, treble crochets, any type of stitch. So on the top here of your stitches, you have these little V's. The one in the front is your front loop. The one at the back is your back loop. So the front one, let me turn it so that you can see this better. How's that? Front loop, and the one at the back is your back loop. I'm going to use a contrasting color and show you how I work in the back loops. I'm going to make a double crochet into the back loop. So I'm holding my work so that you can see the top of your stitches. I'm making the double crochet now. I don't go into the middle, I don't go into the front, I go into the back. And I want to show you from the back view. When I go in, I'm picking up the first one. And I'm going to make my double crochet as per normal. Again, let me show you from the side. Into the back loop. Now I'm using double crochets here, but you can use any other stitch. For example, your project says work single crochets into only the back loops. So you will single crochet only into those back loops. Whether they say treble crochet, whatever stitch, as long as you know that the front one is a front loop, the back one is a back loop. And there you have it. So when you work like this, you will pick up two different things. You can see your front loops. Here's a chair. All of these. If you turn your project to the back, this is how it looks at the back. So that's how I work in the back loops. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the Queen Phoenix, out.